Here's a step-by-step guide on how to apply for NHS care and support worker jobs. 1. Research open positions. Visit the official NHS Jobs website to browse available care and support worker positions. Review job descriptions, requirements, and locations to find suitable opportunities. 2. Create an account. If you don't have an account on NHS Jobs, create one by providing necessary information. 3. Build a profile. Complete your profile with accurate details, including your education, work history, and relevant qualifications. 4. Search for jobs. Use the search feature on the website to find care and support worker jobs that match your skills and preferences. 5. Select desired job. Click on the job title to view the full job description, including responsibilities, qualifications, and application details. 6. Prepare application documents. Update your CV or resume to highlight relevant experience and qualifications. Write a tailored cover letter expressing your interest and suitability for the specific role. 7. Application submission. Follow the instructions on the job listing to submit your application online. Attach your CV and cover letter as required. 8. Complete application form. Some positions may require you to complete an online application form. Provide accurate and detailed information. 9. Monitor application progress. Log into your NHS Jobs account to track the status of your application. Be patient, as the process may take some time. 10. Prepare for interviews. If shortlisted, be prepared for interviews. Research common interview questions and practice your responses. 11. Attend interviews. Attend scheduled interviews either in person or virtually. Dress professionally and demonstrate your enthusiasm for the role. 12. References and checks. Be ready to provide professional references and undergo necessary background checks. 13. Offer and acceptance. If successful, carefully review the job offer, including terms and conditions. Respond promptly to accept or negotiate as needed. 14. Orientation and training once hired. Attend any orientation sessions and training required for the position. 15. Begin your role. Start your new position as a care and support worker with the NHS, making a positive impact on patient care. Remember to check the NHS Jobs website regularly for updates and new opportunities. Good luck, subscribe, like, follow, and share for more.